This cow and its little calf plow the field all day, cultivate corn, and water it. Gradually, the corn plant grows big, but one day, a monkey comes to the field with a sword in its hand and starts destroying the corn tree by cutting it. The cow sees all this and comes to the monkey. Since the monkey had a sword, he attacked the cow with it and killed it. Then the cow's baby sees all this, starts crying loudly, and calls the police. The police come. The calf tells the whole thing to the police while crying. The policemen release the calf and handcuff the monkey and take him to jail. Have you not given a like for this calf yet?